baby.
Oh, hey.
So, what's tea time?
I don't know. When did you plan tea time?
Oh, well, I was thinking we could do it together with my baby.
Oh, really?
And my wife.
Oh.
Yeah, we got married yesterday.
Oh, I see.
Actually, no, I lied. It was an hour ago.
Oh.
Then I murdered her cousin.
Oh.
Okay, I made that up. I was just reading Romeo and Juliet the other day. I got married yesterday. I promise.
Oh, yeah. How was that book?
Well, it was quite interesting. A lot of people died. And romance came from nowhere.
Ah. That always happens.
Yes, it does. Do you like turkey bacon?
Oh, I've never had it before.
Well, that's really interesting. Can I eat you?
Sure, I guess.
That's not working very well. I can't reach you.
I can't either. So sad.
Why are you sad?
It's just so sad.